Welcome back to Cliffy's Kitchen. It's always a pleasure having you. Today we'll be doing brown stew chicken. It's a favorite and a plate of Jamaicans all over, breakfast, lunch or dinner. So stay with me as we prepare it, Cliffy's Kitchen style. In my last video, I showed you guys how to cut up a chicken and how to season it up. I have this one cut up and seasoned up overnight, at least from last night, and right now I'm going to cook it. So stay with me while we go through cooking this. This is going to be done in brown stew style. So let's go to the pot right now. So here I'm going to pour in some oil in my pot. This is some olive oil. Of course, this is brown stew, so you want enough, not too much, but a reasonable amount. And my stove is on high because we need the oil to be really hot for a start. And in another 20 seconds, it should be good enough to take in the meat in there. So here we go. We're gonna put in our meat now. Hear that sound? Means that the pot was hot. And you need that start because the ultimate aim is to really have your chicken getting some color before you cover it down to cook. This is called brown stew, so you're gonna need them to have to get some color. You really need your fire and the maximum in order to achieve that. Maybe in another 5-10 minutes stirring through, you'll have them getting the desired color you want, and just watching it to make sure that happens is really what is key from here. Well, it's been going 7 minutes now, so it's about time for the first stir. We stir it, especially at this stage, because we want the chicken to, each piece at least, get a chance to be on the bottom of the pot. That's where it gets the color first of all. So stirring it, moving them around will give each piece that chance. Alright, we could try another spoon too. Something that's a little stiffer. Right, you get your stirring over. You can see they start getting color already. Liking the video so far, guys? Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I appreciate that a lot. If you notice, my chicken is still looking in the normal natural color. Although I'm doing brown stew, I didn't put any browning on it up to this point because I want them to sort of generate their own color, and later on in the process I will just add a little browning as is necessary. You see, if you add the browning too early, they will get the color and actually end up looking too brown, as if they're fried. So we let them get their own natural color from the cooking, and then we add a little browning to bring them to the standard that we want them to be. Okay, it's about time that I add some browning to the chicken, giving the color. That's about a teaspoon, and we're gonna stir it right through. Notice the difference with the color. Notice what's coming up. You can see it right away. After this stirring, I'm going to add a little water to it, and after another 10 minutes I will come and put in my carrots, my Irish potato, and a little additional seasoning to take it home. So notice the nice color that comes up right away, right amount of browning. Yes, so we did not do this at first because we wanted to make sure that they get the right color. Not too quick could fool you about the stage of cooking. So It's about time to tip a little water in there now. Let's do that. This is a cup and a quarter. In other words, it's about 10 ounces of water. And this will do, because I'm gonna cover it up. It will make a little more water to help take it to the right amount and the right consistency. When you're throwing your water in, it's also good to just pour it one place, as I did. Don't pour it all over the pot. Just pour it one place, and then you can make a little stirring if you want to. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes, and then we come and put in our garnishings. Okay, I'm gonna cover this down now, let him go on cooking. Of course, I'm also gonna adjust my flame. I'm gonna move down from high to medium for the next 5 minutes, and then I'll put in my Irish and carrot and stuff like that. We are cooking in real time, and so it's about time now that we dunk in our carrot and our Irish potato and a little additional seasoning. Here it is. And of course, a spoonful of my special seasoning. So we're gonna stir this maybe for the last time. Cover it down and let it simmer, and before you know it, your brown stew chicken will be ready. As they would say, it's rearing to go. My brown stew been in the pot cooking for the last 45 minutes. It's now cooked, but then I'm gonna make a last stir and give it another 4 minutes or so, just rolling it off at 50 minutes. But remember guys, your chicken with the right flame, it cooks within 45 minutes. So going 50 minutes is really making sure that this is really super well done. Wow, this looks nice, man. Really looks good, and the color is beautiful. My brown stew chicken is now finished. Look at it. It looks really good, real mouth-watering and appetizing. And remember guys, you can do it too. Just follow the instructions I give, and this brown stew chicken can be done right in your kitchen. If you notice there, I have a pot of white rice. I prepared that to go with the brown stew chicken. You could do rice and peas if you want, but I choose to do white rice because it goes very well. I add a little mixed vegetable in there, and look how good it looks. So that's what we're gonna be having with our brown stew chicken. Thank you for watching my brown stew video this evening. We hope you learn a lot, something that can help you to make your own. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Just follow the suggestions, and I'm sure you might even surprise yourself. You will do it. Enjoy it. Remember now, please like, subscribe, and share.